the ingredients. What do you have? Parsley, fresh tomato, salt and pepper, basilico tomato, tomaten geschalte, and oregano. And this is parsley. So ayan, it looks like our ground meat is already cooked. Now we're going to add the fresh tomatoes from our garden. And next step are the tomato sauce. These are the basilico. These tomatoes are mixed with basil in a bottle or in a glass. And next are the geschalte tomatoes. And then we must mix it until well combined. Next, we're going to add the oregano. This is the dried oregano. And the next one are the fresh parsley from our garden, salt, pepper, and the basis for Pasta Ascuitta. This is the main dish. This is the main important in these ingredients, the Pasta Ascuitta. So the reason why I made too much of meat sauce or meat sugo, so pini-preserve ko siya, guys. So nilalagay ko siya sa freezer, yung leftover namin. Kasi ito, hindi namin ito mauubos sa isang kainan lang. Kasi ang dami, di ba? I make 1 kilo of meat and I cannot eat this all, or we cannot eat this all. So that's why we're going to preserve this. We put in the freezer, so the next time we like to eat spaghetti, so we only heat this up. So we're going to heat up, and yeah, that's it. So we're going to take some basil leaves in our garden. And then chop it into small, finely small. And now we're going to add the basil, the fresh basil in our recipe. So let's cook this in low to medium heat for 1 hour. And don't forget to mix it, guys. So in the other pot, we're going to boil the spaghetti. I use the number of spaghetti is number 3 because I don't like the big, the big spaghetti, the number 5 or number 7. I prefer the number 3, the size of the spaghetti. So ayan, luto na siya. It's already cooked, I think. And now we're going to drain it and add a butter. So the spaghetti is not dry. It's not getting dry, so we're going to add the butter. So here it is, our recipe.